This is Buckle Down page 85, Guided Practice. Order these numbers from least to greatest. 9 and 5/10, 9 and 7/100, 9 and 308,000, and 9. Compare the whole number parts. Each number has 9 as its whole number part. Annex zeros so that each number has 3 digits after the decimal point. So 9 and 7/100 will be 9 and 70,000. Notice I placed a 0 at the end. 9 and 308,000 will stay the same. 9 whole will become 9 and 0,000. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 digits after the decimal point. Use place value to find the least number and the greatest number. The least number is 9. The greatest number is 9 and 5/10. Use place value to compare the remaining numbers. Let's see, we already used 9 and 5/10. We already used 9. So we need to put these in order. To do that, start comparing. We have 1's place, same. At 10th place, we have a 0 here and 3 here. So we know this is smaller than this one. So 9 and 7/10 is less than, 9 and 7/100 is less than 9 and 308,000. The order of the numbers from least to greatest is, let's see, the smallest one was 9. Biggest was 9 and 5/10. 9 and 7/100 is after 9 whole. 9 and 308,000 is third, and then of course the biggest. So the order of the numbers from least to greatest is 9, 9 and 7/100, 9 and 308,000, 9 and 5/10. Thanks.